Okay, so almost done with all these reviews of everything I just got. Last thing I got is this new League of Legends Logitech G305 KDA mouse. I ended up getting this compared to alternatives. I did look at the Logitech X Master 3 series, but found that I do a little bit of the gaming, so I wanted something that was gaming capable. And I hope there were good reviews as far as using this as an everyday mouse as far as work, as well as using it for gaming. This comes in 4 separate colors. One is the black, like a straight black with gray across the top here. There's one that's white with black and gray here without all this design, as well as then there's another one that's purple and green, and one that's kind of blue and green as well. Initially I wanted to get the one that was white and black, but it was on back order for until August, which was about a month because it was out of stock. So I ended up going randomly online and finding this one. I don't know anything about League of Legends. I don't know anything about KDA. I just picked this based on the design and kind of being in the market for a G305 mouse. This was a pretty solid price point and the reviews were pretty good. So this is the box. Here's the side as far as the graphics. And then this is the back of the box. I don't remember the details as far as the specifications. I believe this is 12,000 DPI. It comes with programmable settings up to 6 buttons that can be set. And then it comes with a battery, I believe a 2 volt battery that has up to 250 hours of playing time. There's very good reviews on this, so let's get this thing open. Sorry, it's just there. So immediately has this pull tab. The box kind of comes with this color collection, different options as far as that, advertising. This was the white one that I actually wanted, but they didn't have in stock. And so you've got that. You have this Logitech sticker, nothing else in the box, so we can put that aside. And then kind of like regular routine information as well as instructions. Here's the packaging. The mouse comes in this foam package. Let's pull it out. Okay, and then it comes with a 2 AA battery, as well as cables, I believe, so you can use it in a wired fashion. So let's pull these out first and get rid of all the packaging. Yeah, so that's a USB port to USB cable. I believe the front, from my understanding, this should be able to be wired. I'll have to look into it a little bit. And then this is the mouse itself. So first reaction, this is pretty nice. It's got the KDA label here, as well as this black with edgy blue pattern, mouse wheel. This button allows you to have different DPI settings. And then this light, once it's plugged in and set up, will change color when with the setting that you have. On the side, you've got 2 side buttons that can be programmed, and then on the bottom is your on switch and off switch, as well as the sensor. Okay, with this, this back portion just pops right off, and you can plug in the battery here. And then on the bottom port here is the dongle, USB 2 dongle that goes into your computer. And so let me just get this lined up. Plus on this side. Okay, immediately it turns on. You slide this back on, and then you're all set. And it feels smooth. What I'll do is I'll set this up with my computer. This should be on off There you go, on off. And I'll set this up with my computer and we'll have to review it once I can get it working. But that's the out of the box. The buttons feel pretty good, moves pretty well. And we'll just see how it goes, because this is something I just came on and it had really solid reviews. So I'm hoping that this works out pretty well. The other thing I want to show you is the Logitech mouse now that it's working. I haven't set or programmed anything yet, but if you go here and press this, it'll change what DPI setting it is. And it'll change color based on that. And so I'm just going to show you what the mouse looks like on each of the settings that are preset. So here you have it. This is one setting. That's another. That's another. That's another. So I think there's a total of 3 settings, but it speeds up pretty quick. So this gives you a lot of versatility as far as if you're doing one thing and need to transition to gaming versus not, being able to use this mouse in a variety of functions, which I think will be very useful.